While PGCPS Zoom is the preferred video conferencing platform for distance learning in Prince George's County Public Schools, Google Meet can also be used for virtual learning and is frequently used for employee meetings. Perhaps you are learning or working remotely and do not wish to show your private space. If so, you can digitally change the background displayed in your video. Not sure how? Don't worry, we're here to help. First, open the meeting as you normally would. Before you join the meeting, you are taken to a screen where you can configure your audio and video preferences. Click the background icon in the lower right corner of the video display. You are presented with a list of options for backgrounds. You can choose to slightly blur your background, strongly blur your background, or use one of many images provided by Google. Once you have decided on your background, click the Join Now button. Note that depending on your computer or device, you may see some distortion around your silhouette. Your computer or device may also experience slower performance during the meeting. And that's all there is to it. This has been another production from the Technology Training Team. Thanks for watching.